Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this quick video, I'm gonna share which I feel is a great piece of advice when it comes to affiliate marketing products and what you should really think about before you pick a product to promote. All right, it's very simple, but it can really help you out. And that is whatever product that you want to become an affiliate of and make some decent amount of money, you should really believe in the product. And I know a lot of people say, oh, well, you should use the product or have the product. Yes, that is true, but you could actually own a product, right? And be an affiliate of it and not really believe in the product. So what I'm stressing is it's most important to actually believe in the product and really support the product that you're promoting. Why? Because when you believe in something and you like something and you know what something's all about, it's super easy to promote, right? It's fun to promote stuff that you know can help people or that you enjoy, right? Because when you don't enjoy something or you're just doing it for the money and you really don't even, believe in it at all, it can come across in your marketing. It can come across, when you're talking to people about it because you're not excited about it. You're not into it, right? You're just like waiting for the check, right? So if you're one of the people who just getting started with affiliate marketing, you're just doing the research, you're going on ClickBank and or Digistore 24 and you're just picking any product with high commissions and you're trying to promote it and you're not really getting any traction, you're not getting any sales. It might be because you're not really into the product. You can't really promote something efficiently when you don't care about it, when it's nothing to you. Plus, when you promote things that you believe in and that work and can help people, it's easy to come up with content, right? It's easy to come up with videos, and it's fun to write articles about it, and it's fun to post about it on your social media because you know what it's all about and you back it 100%, right? So before you really go all in on a product, make sure that you believe in it, especially when anytime you're promoting affiliate products, right, you have to put in a certain amount of effort. So don't promote something that you're going to put all of this time and energy in and in your heart you're like, yo, this is trash, right? You want to promote stuff that you believe in. That's the key, right? That is the key because it makes your job as an affiliate marketer a lot easier when you believe in the product. All right, so if you want to check out what I believe in and what I'm doing to earn instant commissions, oh yeah, watch this video right here.